everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have already completed 2 paintings of square and the circle, and if you have not checked it out, then please go in the description box and check it out. Okay, today we are going to do the triangle, and I have also done the linear and the shading of this all the blocks, and if you have not seen it, then please check it out, and then you can do this painting. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, like my videos and share with your friends.